Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be basically like another version of what we just did in the last couple videos. So I'm out at my house right now. It's about noon. I'm just over here cleaning up a little bit of the inside. I was just fixing some paint chips and such on here because we had some bad paint chips that were all up and down this thing. So I took my little pen and was fixing them all. I've been out here for about an hour doing that. And I was messing with my radio and such, getting some better settings. But Dorsey right now is at work and I'm waiting on him. He's going to be done at like 3 or something like that. And I'm going to head over to his house and help him put on his leveling kit. But he's got a little bit of a different leveling kit than I have. He has the 3-inch in the front and a 1-inch in the back. I just have the 2.5-inch up front. So he's actually going to get like, a little bit taller than I am or whatever. But he was going to try to prove a point to me or whatever, trying to do it by himself, but we don't got time for that bullshit. So I don't know exactly if he's going to film an intro before this or not, but I figured I'd hop on here and explain what you're about to watch in this video, because I think you're going to see some from his angle, some from my angle. We're going to be going back and forth a little bit, trying to get it done. We're going to see how fast we can knock it off. I'm going to try to give you guys more of a detailed version of like how to do it. I don't know what he's going to do, but I'm not sure which part I'm going to be on, front or back. I've already done the front, and neither of us have done a back before, so that'll be a little bit different. I know kind of what we're doing, but not completely. So I guess I'll just jump over to when I'm going to meet him, and yeah, we'll see you then. We had a little bit of a change of plans now. It is now the next day. Dorsey ran into some issues on his truck. His springs actually snapped in half, so he can't really do what he was going to do, and now he's put on delay. So right now it's raining outside, or it was, and I'm gonna head over to the auto parts store and I'm gonna grab some clear coat, a different brand of clear coat, because I think I found a better one. And we are going to go ahead and remove my front bumper and re-clear coat it because the clear coat is pretty bad. So yeah, we'll start with that. Sorry, I just went and I picked up this new clear coat that we're gonna try. I watched a couple of videos on people doing paint jobs at home, and they were saying that this stuff is actually like the best clear coat in a can that they've sprayed. I don't have an automotive paint gun, so we're gonna roll with that and we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start dismounting this. It's pretty simple, it's just bolts on the back side, but we can see it also needs to come off because it needs to be realigned here. The gaps on either side are pretty bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then once it's off, we'll start taping stuff off and removing like the license plate here, and we'll just cover that stuff up. And yeah, we'll get a move on. With this bumper for like the last hour or so, finally just got it off. It's actually really difficult to get off. You have to like pry it off of this little frame stop, like right there, and it just did not want to come off. And in the process, I kind of ripped the light bars, so I'm gonna have to fix those and rewire those. But for now, it's off. I'm gonna start cleaning it first. It looks pretty bad. And then I'm going to go ahead and tape it off and we'll start sanding at it. 600. This is some of the spots that had the really bad clear coat peel, and you can just see that, it went right on through to the black. So we're going to have to go over and paint some of this. But I already assumed that because look at some of these paint chips. They are pretty bad. They're all over the place. So I'm going to have to take some work. I'm going to do a little bit more clear coat, like right here. I'm going to get sanding at some of these little spots. There's just rock chips all up and down this thing. And then we got stuff like this. So I'm going to take a little bit more work into these spots that need it the most. And then we're going to figure out what we're going to do next. I might try to throw a little bit of Bondo over them, then prime them, paint them, and then we're going to try that clear coat. So we'll get to it. Quickly here, I have sanded this down. This spot had a lot of clear coat because I repainted this corner before, but I never fixed this little dent right here. So we're Bondoing it right now. I just took the heat gun and dried off a little bit of this stuff. So that is... I'm waiting for that to dry, then I'm going to sand that. We went around and we sanded everything. You can see how it's, the color's kind of taken out of it now. This one, it's feeling pretty smooth here now. I'm just going to have to go over this whole thing in like 1,000 grit and then possibly 1,200. And then it'll all be smoothed out. We'll prime the little spots that need it. We'll probably prime right here. We'll probably prime a little bit of this over here. Definitely that spot. And then up there. And then we'll move on with a little light coats of color, and then we'll go at it with that new clear coat. So yeah, I'm going to continue on here. Right now, I'm just going to give it a second to dry. I'm going to go over it with the heat gun really quick, and then I'm gonna throw you guys up and you guys can watch me from somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna try to find a cool angle for you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and spray primer on the spots that need to be primed a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the color coat and the clear. So I guess we're gonna start that now. Just finished up the colored coats now, and I just moved the thing to sit outside, so I'm gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes out here. It's already been out here for about 10, and then we're gonna go ahead and start throwing that clear coat on. So we'll move it back in there and we'll spray it. It says they'll only do about 2 coats, so we'll do one, wait 20 minutes, put another one on, and then we'll move it back out here to dry for about an hour, and then I'm gonna throw it on and hopefully get out of here and move on with today. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I start spraying that. Just wrapped up spraying. I just moved it outside into the sun to dry. That can was extremely hard to spray with. I mean, it was very hard to press. I tried to use my little handle gun, as you guys saw. Actually, no, you didn't see it, but it was just not working. It was starting to drip and stuff, and I did not want it dripping on the paint to ruin up the paint job, or I'd have been pissed. So I just went back with my hand. You know, it hurt a little bit, but I got it done. It's gonna dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning out some of this shit because, I mean, it just doesn't look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while it dries, and then hopefully in about half hour to an hour I'll be able to throw it back on and I'll be good to go. So yeah, I'll check back in a little while.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. imagine it. Getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
That is going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little process. That was actually filmed quite a bit ago. I've just had no time to actually do anything. The bumper is on here now. I don't even know how long ago it was, to be honest, but it actually looks pretty good. You can see the color difference a little bit actually on film, but in real life you can't really tell. But Dorsey's truck thing never ended up happening. I'm actually going to be doing that work for him pretty soon, so that'll be a video. We have a lot of stuff to do on his truck. He's gonna drop it off when he goes to work one day, and I'm gonna do all the work for him, and I'll obviously make a video out of it, and I'll take you guys along with that process. It's probably gonna be a very long video because there's a lot of work to do, and I want to show you guys how to do all that stuff. It'd be a good video. So with that being said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all into the next one. Peace.